Hi guys, welcome to my new video here. Today is another food review. It's been pretty long since I've done a food review. I miss these type of videos because my mouth gets happy, not me. I mean, it makes me even more happy. And today, our special food review is Afghan Brothers, probably one of the most highest growing and like one of the most famous restaurants in Qatar. It's just a beautiful restaurant. The aesthetic is really pretty, and you have these private rooms to sit with family, friends, and just overall hang out. They have a pretty cool restaurant built. It's like old Afghani, like majlises. So it's pretty cool. It's very comfy as well. Very clean. They're hygienic. Every time someone eats, they have to vacuum. They take the dirty food, and so it is a pretty clean restaurant. I've ordered, some mandi rice with chicken. It looks extremely good, and like this is some mixed grill, chicken, meat, lamb, and crinkle cut fries. Crinkle cut are always better than batons. So yeah, that's opinion from me. I like it. uh they have pickles on the side too. I think this is a roasted chili. Lots of meat, and like i'm ready to eat. And they have roti. So it is a part of Pakistani and Afghani culture to eat roti. It's pretty famous even in India. uh, it's just a piece of bread that you eat. So everyone likes it. So let's get straight into the review. We'll be starting off with the fries. Who doesn't start off with a fry? It's one of the best parts of the meal. Not crunchy, but it's a bit soggy and falls apart when you hold it. And they give you complimentary soup as well. It doesn't count, they give it to you always. So that's what I like. They give you tomato. You could call it chutney, I guess, tomato sauce. You can mix it in your soup, and it becomes a bit tangy with that tomato taste. It's also spicy, so it adds a kick. This is the rice, the main part of the meal, and one of the best parts, in my opinion. There are also many other types of appetizers. There is hummus. You can take basically. This is a pretty multicultural, restaurant. So let's start. Let's try the rice. It looks extremely good. Lots of people come here, especially on Fridays and Saturdays. So let's do it. Bismillah. Solid 10 out of 10. I'm truthful. It's just so good, so moist. And it's just so long, and it tastes good as well. The flavor is excellent. I don't know. I think it has a bit of that saffron rice taste. I mean, it's overall a pretty good rice. And let's try the chicken. You take, the roti, tear a bite-sized piece off, and just eat it. So the chicken is tender, juicy, and it has a nice skin to it. It's a bit crunchy, not that much, but the chicken is equivalent to the rice, pretty good. Goes along pretty well, and if you add this sauce, it just gets even better. I think you can add your soup as well if you don't finish it. It's pretty good. I mean, it's very fresh. It's like very hot, and like fries. Fries are pretty good. Let's rip a piece of each of these. First, let's try this. I think this is the lamb, or might be the beef, but it looks pretty good. This is in a this is in its league of its own. It's the best, I think, by far. I like this the most. There are even more. I think this is basically skewered. So, I mean, barbecue is always very nice, and grill is always also pretty good to eat. Soft, melts in your mouth, pretty nice. And I just like it overall. One of my favorite things to eat. I will say this is good, but not my favorite out of all. I mean, I think this is the chicken. Chicken I always like. It's just so juicy, as you can see, very moist. It's just it might become my favorite. 9 out of 10. It has that char pickles as well. You can't go wrong with pickles. It has to be eaten with every meal you try, and this tastes pretty fresh as well. I mean, it does get cold quickly. I would recommend eating this quick because it gets hard, and the flavor goes away quick. So I would say eat this quickly. And the soup, I would rate 8 out of 10, and the tomato sauce is 7.5 out of 10 for me. The rice is a 10 out of 10. Chicken is 9, and this overall this plate for me is 9 out of 10 as well. The food they have is great, worth the money, and especially if you're hanging out with friends, you will enjoy it. They are pretty good tasting. I would recommend it, especially for family night dinner. This is very nice, and you can eat all of this for like 150 to and 100 real, and it can fill 4 to 5 people easily. And you can pack the food as well after. So I like that as well. You get lots of chicken, lots of rice in one bowl. They have a pretty detailed menu as well, so I like that. And they have many locations as well. This one I'm eating is in Bin Umran. They have in Ar Rayyan and many other places you can see on their menu. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, as it will help my channel a lot. And I'll make more food review videos like these. And tell me in the comments what should I post next. And see you in another video. And have a good night.